Welcome back to MyDan Computer Training Channel. Today, we're diving into the world of text animation. We're gonna take your titles and messages to the next level with cool effects and motion graphics. So, if you want your videos to look more professional, eye-catching, and stylish, then text animation is your secret weapon. It's what the pros use to keep viewers hooked. So in today's episode, I'll show you how to create advanced text animations and motion graphics in CapCut. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss the rest of this advanced editing series. First, let's start with the basics. Add text. Tap text, add text, and type in your title or message. Keep it short and clear. Next, choose a font and style. Use bold fonts for titles, clean fonts for subtitles, and playful fonts for fun edits. You can also add outlines, shadows, and colors. Now let's bring in the big guns. CapCut comes with built-in text animations like bounce, typewriter, and fade. These are quick ways to make your titles move with style. Simply select the text, tap animation, and choose your favorite effect. But wait, there's more! For more control, use keyframes. You can set a starting position off-screen, then add another keyframe where the text slides in. You can even rotate or scale it for creative effects. And here's a pro tip. If you want to take your text animations to the next level, try combining them with motion graphics. Add animated shapes, arrows, or stickers to highlight your message and keep your viewers focused. Speaking of graphics, we've got stickers, shapes, and animated overlays with text. These bad boys are a game changer for keeping your audience engaged. Whether you want to add a playful vibe with stickers or create a sense of urgency with arrows, these motion graphics are super versatile. And here's another pro tip. Don't forget to sync your text animations with the beat of your music. This will make your video feel dynamic and keep the audience entertained. Let's quickly recap everything we've learned. First, add your text. Then pick your favorite fonts and styles. Use built-in animations for quick effects. Try keyframes for custom motion. Combine with motion graphics and sync with music for extra impact. And that's a wrap. Now go out there and create amazing text animations that bring your story to life. In the next episode, we'll unlock 3D zoom and advanced camera tricks to add depth and cinematic flair to your edits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments which text animation you're going to try first. Bounce, typewriter, or custom keyframes. Thanks for joining me on this episode. Until next time, stay creative, keep editing, and never stop telling your stories. I'll see you in the next video.